वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने पाकिस्तान में तुर्क कंपनीज के साथ बुरे रवैये और सरमायाकारों से अदम ताउन पर माजरत कर ली।
अंकारा में बिजनेस फोरम से खिताब में उनका कहना था, सदर तैयब उर्दवान के क़यादत में मईशत समेत तमाम शोबों में तुर्की ने काबिल रश्क तरक्की की। बरादर मुल्क ने हर मुश्किल वक्त में साथ दिया। तजारत और सरमायाकारी में फ़रोग चाहते हैं। तुर्क सरमायाकार पाकिस्तान में वसी मौक़े से भरपूर फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं।
I had personally witnessed tremendous progress, phenomenal progress of this great country, Turkey, under visionary and dynamic leadership of President Tayyip Erdogan. And this relation of love and affection will go with us in our graves. During war, Turkey stood by Pakistan. During floods, Turkey stood by Pakistan. During earthquake, Turkey stood by Pakistan, not through statements, through action, are all very eager to promote our investments, promote our trade and our commerce. But let us then be very practical. Business is business. I would like to apologize. I'd like to regret and say sorry for bad treatment or maltreatment, whatever, done to some of our Turkish businessmen. I'm very sorry. First metro established in Pakistan, in the city of Lahore, the entire design work was given to Pakistan free of cost. Solid waste management, the entire technique and technology and expertise was given to Pakistan for peanuts.